Everyone, welcome back to a new post today. Today, let's talk about the most important topics that you need to keep track for April 2nd with regard to the UPSC upcoming Civil Services Examination Prelims of 2025. And the very first is about India and Chile now discussing starting discussions for a comprehensive trade agreement. So it was during the visit of the President of Chile, Gabriel Boric's state visit to India, that they decided to start negotiations on a comprehensive economic partnership agreement to accelerate cooperation in critical minerals especially, and also to collaborate in Antarctic research. Now, India has comprehensive economic partnership agreements with many countries. For example, we have an India-Australia Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement with Australia. We have a Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement with Japan. We have one with Malaysia, with Mauritius, with Singapore, with South Korea, with the UAE as well. And under negotiation is Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement with Bangladesh, Canada, South Africa as well. So these are the comprehensive economic partnership agreements what India has with other countries, and now we are doing one with Chile as well. The next is about that too in critical minerals and Antarctic research. The next is about CERN now starting a feasibility study for a future circular collider after the Large Hadron Collider, which is a particle research physics laboratory, and it is a proposed successor to the Large Hadron Collider, and it is to extend fundamental physics research beyond the capabilities of the current Large Hadron Collider. The future circular collider is a particle collider that would follow the Large Hadron Collider, and they have completed to assess the feasibility of this. It would be larger than the Large Hadron Collider and was designed to extend fundamental physics research beyond the capabilities of the Large Hadron Collider. It will be operational in 2040 itself. Now, during the proposed discussion of the Waqf bill and the voting, there was a word that was a news where the political parties issued the whip to the members to be present for the voting in the House. What exactly is a whip? Now, whip originates from a British term of whipping in the lawmakers to follow the party line. A whip refers to a written order, an official order by the members of the political party to its members in the House to abide by certain directions. The designated party leader on the floor of the House is authorized to issue a direction. All political parties appoint senior members who are whip of the House. They issue whips to the members. This member is a chief whip and is assisted by additional whips. In case of BJP, for example, there is a 3-line whip, and Sanjay Jaiswal is the chief whip of the BJP in the Lok Sabha. The term whip is derived from the old British word of whipping in the lawmakers to follow the party line. Amit Shah, the Home Minister of at the centre, had spoken of decrease in the Naxal affected districts. He spoke of two terms. He said districts of concern, he spoke about, and also said that the most effective districts. Now, these most effective districts have reduced from 12 to 6. 4 in Chhattisgarh, they are Bijapur, Kanker, Narayanpur, Sukma, 1 in Jharkhand, West Singhbhum, and 1 for Maharashtra, Gadchiroli. The number of districts of concern, while the total number of affected districts of 38, additional resources are also needed in 6 areas of the district. Apart from the most affected districts, the districts of concerns are in Andhra Pradesh, Alluri Sitaramaraju, Madhya Pradesh Balaghat, Odisha Kalahandi, Kandhamal Malkagiri, and in Telangana Bhadradri Kothagudem. Vandana Kataria has now called it off a day, and she belongs to the hockey. In India, Hockey India plans and directs and conducts all the activities of men and women field in hockey, and it is recognized by the Ministry of the Youth Affairs and Government of India as a sole body responsible towards promoting the sport. It is formed after the Indian Hockey Federation was dismissed in 2008. Hockey India was established in 2009 and it is affiliated to the International Hockey Federation, the Indian Olympic Association, and the Asian Hockey Federation as well. Hockey India, with the assistance of the Sport Authority of India and Department of Sports, trains the players at sub-junior, junior and senior level, and the government is responsible for training the coaches as well as for educating and equipping technical officers and umpires. Hockey India has its own logo, which is an Ashoka Chakra of the Indian flag. The Chakra are made up of hockey sticks. And recently, the fissure flow of lava was identified in Iceland. Why does this happen? Iceland's volcanic activity is linked to the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the Eurasian plate and the North American tectonic plates diverge, creating a long fissure along the rift zone. These fissures can be up to several kilometers long, and they are an important source of basaltic lava that flows over vast area. For example, the Laki fissure eruption occurred in 1973, produced one of the largest lava flows in history. Then in 2023 and 2025, the Sudnukur eruptions occurred on the Regines Peninsula and involved a fissure eruption near Grindavik. Grindavik is associated with Iceland, where you have a lot of fissure eruptions happening, and the fissure opened up with protective dikes, constructing a shield Grindavik from lava flows. So we have many fissure eruptions in Iceland because it is situated on the divergent plate boundaries of the Mid-Atlantic Ocean. So these are the most important topics I thought I should be discussing with you for April 2nd. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment at the end of the video. I shall see you in my next post. Until then, it's very happy learning.